Hi there! Today let us discuss 6 organic extracts for effective skincare. Do you know what an organic extract is? Organic extracts are concentrated plant materials providing therapeutic properties which have been extracted through a variety of methods. Formulations are a blend of such extracts. You need to understand which ingredient to choose, how to extract it, the weighing, blending, mixing of it, and the packaging of the final product. Sounds a lot? Well, it's not. As tedious as it might sound, if you have a creative bone in your body, formulation is a fun activity. But it is a matter of your delicate skin and hair, so you should be extra careful from where you are learning the skill. So here are 6 organic extracts for effective skincare which you can include in your formulation. First, olive leaf extract. A naturally extracted product from olive leaves contains oleuropein and other bioactive phenolic compounds. It can slow the skin aging process, purify and nourish the skin by calming irritation and reducing redness. It also repairs, hydrates, enhances blood circulation and stimulates growth of new cells. Second, aloe extract. Aloe is a rich source of antioxidants and vitamins that help protect your skin. The important compounds in aloe vera have been shown to neutralize the effects of ultraviolet radiation, repair your skin from existing UV damage, and help prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Third, arnica extract. The arnica plant has large bright flowers that are used in the production of the extract. Its flower extracts and oil have many medicinal properties that heal and repair the skin. Arnica is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is now making its way into skincare products and spa treatments. Fourth, bamboo extract. Bamboo extract contains various compounds like flavones, glycosides, phenolic acid, and amino acids, which together provide antioxidant, skin soothing, and astringent properties. It supports collagen production, which helps skin elasticity, giving the skin a healthier appearance. Fifth, banana extract. Banana pulp extract is a gentle source of fruit alpha hydroxy acids to gently refine the skin. Another extract of banana peel oil moisturizes the skin and is a good source of vitamin E. Other benefits of banana extract include antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which help moisturize, rehydrate and soothe irritations and acne. Sixth, calendula extract. Calendula extract is produced from the calendula flower heads which promotes skin tightness, wound healing and UV ray protection. This extract is used in formulation of many anti-aging, moisturizing, soothing and anti-irritant skin products. Now, free DIYs from YouTube and blogs seem convenient, but having worked with thousands of students, trust me, it is not. These DIYs are unreliable, ineffective, and in some cases, unsafe too. So what you can do to hone this in-demand skill? Enroll into Learn Canyon's School of Formulations, where you can learn authentic formulas, the science behind skincare, professional product development, and monetizing this skill through branding and marketing. All the while having a personal mentor assigned to you for 2 years, carefully curated into 12 modules. These courses are the ultimate help you need to go from beginner to professional. Check our website to know more about our courses. Which ingredient extract from the above list is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Bye-bye.